save the world.
A tide sweeping us along against our control. If the White... You are not the one in control.
I saw other Nathan.
How's your back holding up in the tub?
I lost feeling in it weeks ago.
Angel!
You rang?
Frustration.
And a million different ways you might not survive it.
Hello everyone, it's Cine Select. Amazon Prime just dropped a wave of new shows and new season of fan favorite originals that hit hard from episode 1. No slow burn, no filter, just instant hooks, brutal twists and stories that grab you by the throat and don't let go. If you want shows that waste no time getting violent clever, this list is built for you. But first, smash the like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. Still 2026.
So our facial recognition is completely useless. Find the thieves.
Jara Dunn, an ordinary office worker at Lockmill Capital, finds her routine shattered when ruthless thieves storm the firm, forced into the heart of a high-stake heist. She must navigate betrayal, hidden motives, and dangerous choices. As chaos unfolds, Jara discovers resilience she never knew, proving even the most unlikely can change the outcome of the century's boldest crime. The Girlfriend 2025. Lara Sanderson lives a perfect life with her husband and beloved son, Daniel. But when Daniel brings home Cherry, his new girlfriend, Laura's instincts scream danger. What begins as caution, suspicion spills into obsession, tearing apart trust and family bonds. Is Cherry truly manipulative, or is Laura consumed by paranoia? In love's shadow, truth and lies collide. Ballard 2025. Detective Ballard, haunted by past failures, faces a brutal case that shakes his city. When a string of murder exposes corruption and hidden alliances, he must navigate betrayal, power, and his own demons. Each clue drags him deeper into a dangerous web where truth is elusive and survival means confronting the darkness within before justice slips away. Upload Season 4. In 2033, people can cheat death by uploading their consciousness into luxurious digital afterlives. Nathan, a young coder, dies suddenly and finds himself in Lakeview, a virtual paradise run by tech giants. Guided by Nora, his empathetic customer service rep, Nathan uncovers mysteries about his death while navigating love, greed, and the strange rules of eternal digital life. Gen V Season 2. At Gadokan University, young superheroes train to become the next generation of crime fighters. But behind the glossy halls lies corruption, deadly secrets, and their classmates uncover sinister experiments that test loyalty and morality. As friendship fracture and powers collide, they must decide, serve the system or fight the darkness consuming their world. The Night Manager Season 2. Jonathan Pine, a hotel night manager, stumbles upon dangerous secrets tied to armed dealer Richard Rohr. Drawn into a covert mission by intelligence officer Angela Blur, Pine infiltrates Rohr's inner circle. As trust and betrayal blur, he risks everything to expose corruption. In a world of luxury and lies, one man's courage becomes the weapon against ruthless power. The Wheel of Time Season 3. Maureen Sadai, a powerful Aes Sedai, arrives in a small village, seeking 5 youths tied to a prophecy. One of them may be the Dragon Reborn, destined to save or destroy the world. As shadows rise and dark forces hunt them, the group embarks on a perilous journey. Bond of trust, magic and destiny shape their fights against looming chaos. Fallout Season 2. Centuries after nuclear devastation, survivors emerge from underground vaults into ruined Los Angeles. Lucy, a hopeful young woman, ventures into the wasteland, searching for family guided by unlikely allies. A cynical Ghoul and a wary soldier, mutant raiders, and buried secret test their courage. In a world where hope is scarce, survival demands sacrifice and trust become the rarest treasure. The Boys Season 5. And the war reaches its climax as Butcher, dying and desperate, pushes the boys into one last stand against Homelander and Seven. Loyalties fracture, secret explode, and every choice carries deadly weight. In a world where gods play tyrants, ordinary rebels fight for justice, blood, betrayal, and sacrifice pave the path to an ending where survival means truth revealed.